Okay, so in advance, I apologize. My dog is going crazy right now. Like, she's in competition with some other dogs, and I really don't know why. So if you hear barking, that's why.
You got it, girl, you got it.
So I'm gonna show you guys what I do sometimes when I'm lazy. And this might be bad, but oh well, it's real life. It's my life. I don't care. I'm gonna share it with you guys because you guys might be lazy too, and this is a good way, you know. We're supposed to wash our faces every single day. I get lazy. I really try to for the most part. I really used to, but you know, summertime I don't feel like doing anything. So I'm gonna wash it without washing it, if that makes sense. So I just put alcohol on the paper towel, and I'm gonna like kind of scrub. I'm not gonna wipe, I'm gonna scrub to clean. Especially because it's humid out here. Gotta have a clean face. I have something with me always because the smell is really irritating to me. It's really strong. It burns my nose, my eyes. I'm gonna go behind my ears, under my chin, flip it, and do the same exact thing. Just clean everywhere. Now I'm gonna get in like the cracks, and you gotta be careful, especially when it's close to your eye. You do not wanna put alcohol in your eye. I'm telling you, it stings. Okay, then I take another piece of the paper towel, and I'm gonna put my witch hazel on it because today I'm not putting a moisturizer because it is so hot and my skin is naturally oily. So to make up for that, this is the only thing I'm gonna put on. Normally I put this on with my Pink Pond's lotion, but it's extremely hot today and I don't want my oily skin to look crazy. So I put this everywhere that I put the alcohol. And I dry just the same. So yes, that's how I wash my face without really washing my face. For the lazy face washers out there. But you shouldn't do that often. You should actually wash your face more often than doing that. Yeah. Thank you, lovely people, for watching my video. Please like, comment, subscribe, do all of that. See you lovelies next time.
You got it, girl, you got it.